This brings us to a preview of my favorite way to solve using matrices, which is Cramer's rule. It's probably going to be your favorite too, because honestly it's the least amount of work and it's really hard to screw it up, which is, two really good things. So the first thing we have to know how to do is to find the determinant of the matrix so that we can then use the determinant in Cramer's rule. So to find the determinant, and recall that we actually have found the determinant before. When we were finding the inverse, we took 1 over, and then we took a times d minus c times b. Well, that's the determinant. So essentially, we took 1 divided by the determinant of that matrix before. So what we're going to do now is we don't have to make it a fraction, we're just going to find the determinant. One thing I do want to point out is I want to talk to you quickly before we find the determinant about the difference between this bracket and this bracket. So notice this bracket's got the little tails on it. That's our typical bracket that we use when we have a matrix. When we are asked to find the determinant, that is when we use these straight brackets. So the straight brackets, even if I don't say find the determinant, the straight brackets imply that you're finding the determinant. Or you might see it written like this. So if we have A, if they put those straight brackets around A, they're saying find the determinant of A. So now let's go ahead and do it. This shouldn't be too difficult. To find the determinant, I'm going to take 12 times 4, which is 48. I'm going to take 3 times negative 2, whoops, and I'm subtracting, so I'm subtracting a negative 6. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, which of course means I'm going to add, and I'm going to get 54. So the determinant of my first matrix is 54. My second matrix, 1/2 times 8 is 4, minus 1/4 times 12 is 3, so my determinant is 1. In terms of the work that I expect to see for the determinant, just like this. I want to see what you subtracted, added, etc. to find the determinant. So go ahead and find the determinants of the matrices. Notice I didn't write the determinant brackets here because here I'm saying find the determinant. This is just the matrix A. So when you're showing your work, you can say the bracket like this equals and then find the determinant. So go ahead and press pause, try this question, both of them, and then press play to see how you did. So again, I'm finding the determinant. I'm just finding cross products here. 3 times 7 is 21 minus 11 times negative 1 is negative 11. So I just want to see that you took 21 plus 11 to get 32, and 32 is my solution. Same thing for B. If I'm finding the determinant, I can just use those brackets to show that that's what I'm finding. 0 times 9 is 0, minus 12 times 2/3 would be 4 times 2, which is 8. And so 0 minus 8 is negative 8.